Welcome back to our channel, the place where we solve your tech troubles. Today, we're diving into a common but frustrating issue for Telegram users, getting the dreaded "the phone number is banned" message. When you open your Telegram app and this pop-up shows up saying this phone number is banned, then simply you need to do is click on help. You will be redirected to your mail account. An auto-generated mail will appear with a subject that has your phone number and your app's version. You simply need to do is click on send. And if you're wondering whether your mail has been sent or not, you can just simply go on the three horizontal bars and click on send, and you can check whether your mail has been sent or not. So the next solution to recover the phone number is banned is by doing following method. Simply go on any browser that you use and click for Telegram support. After doing so, you can find the support of Telegram Messenger. Just click on it. And here you can describe your problem. Then after doing so, you can write your email ID and your phone number where the number is banned. By simply doing so, Telegram will fix your problem. And this is how you get your Telegram to unban your number. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.